If you're a backend architect drowning in distributed system chaos, services failing silently, APIs getting lost in translation, and observability feeling like a myth, this is your lifeline. The Microservices Architecture Pack gives you hands on mastery of service mesh configuration with Istio and Linkerd, API gateway optimization using Kong and Traffic, event sourcing patterns with Kafka and Redis streams, and full stack observability via Prometheus and Grafana. Whether you're a cloud native architect, platform engineer, or SRE lead struggling with fragmented systems, this pack turns chaos into clarity. Spoiler alert, your monolith's vacation request just got denied. Here's what's inside the Microservices Architecture Pack. Start with Service Mesh Labs configuring zero trust security in Kubernetes clusters. Progress to API gateway modules handling rate limiting and canary deployments. Master event sourcing with real time streaming pipelines using Kafka Connect and Redis streams. Dive into observability stack integration with Grafana dashboards and Loki log aggregation. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your microservices won't just survive, they'll thrive. Installing the Microservices Architecture Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add microservices-pack. That's it. You download the entire workflow, from service mesh blueprints to observability dashboards. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Istio config patterns, Kafka stream processing, and Grafana panel customization. No PhD in YAML required. Just ship production grade microservices faster than your legacy systems can say circuit breaker.